Hi guys, Scout Eric, and welcome back to another invention. Today guys, we're learning about shotgun shooting merit badge. I just want to say thank you to our sponsor, Henry Repeating Arms, for sending us two shotguns, the Henry Lever Action 410 shotgun and the Henry Lever Action 3030. I just want to say that firearms are not a toy and you should treat them with respect and basically don't play around with them. And you should also have an adult with you while basically having one. So yeah, let's open it. You guys should never point a gun at someone, just in case. Even if it's unsafe, you still shouldn't. This type of paper protects the gun during shipping and also from rusting. Henry Rifles primarily uses black walnut for its stocks, which has some really cool designs in them. Oh, it looks so nice. So now we're gonna take the cloth off. So now I'm gonna show you the different parts of a shotgun. Here's the butt stock, the cone stock, the lever, the trigger, the safety trigger, the receiver, the barrel, the magazine, the bead, and the muzzle. Since this gun is new, once it came out of the factory, they put some oil on it. Now we can't shoot it, but we have to clean it off before we can shoot it. So I'm going to show you how. So now these are the tools we needed to use. Some cleaner lubricant, some cloths, and a toolkit. We need a hook and a scrubber. We don't need the scrubbers right now since we haven't shot the gun and we don't have any gun residue to do it with. So we're not gonna be able to use these. We need the hook and the rods. Now all we have to do is screw these pulls together. So now we're gonna get the hook and screw this on. And now we're gonna get the handle and screw this part in. Now all we have to do is attach the cloth to the hook. Now that we attach the cloth to the hook, now we're ready to clean it. So now that we have all the cleaning materials, now we can actually clean the shotgun. Let's get the cleaner lubricant. And we just spray it. First thing that we need to do is we need to open the chamber. So now we put the rod in the barrel gently. We just want to go back and forth so we can get out any oil. Now we just want to push it through. Make sure we don't miss any spots. Oh, that is dirty. Oh, that is so dirty. Take it off. So now we'll probably have to change the cloth maybe 3 or 4 times to get all the oil out. So now let's replace it. Alright, now let's do the same thing. Wow, it doesn't look as dirty as the first one. Must have gotten a lot of the oil out. about one more cloth and we should be good. So this should be the last one. So now we're gonna check the gun and see if all the screws and everything is put in. So the next step is we just wanna check all the removable parts like screws to see if they're all tightened. So we have a screwdriver and we're just gonna... Oh hey, we found one that wasn't screwed in. So now we're just gonna get a cloth. We're just gonna wipe down these parts. We can even go down in the chamber. We're just gonna wipe the receiver and all this. The reason why we're cleaning this is so we can get the oil and residue off. Checked all the screws and everything is fine. Our last step is just to wipe down the gun. So yeah, that's how you clean a shotgun. You mainly have to clean out the oil and the residue. And remember, guns are not a toy. Don't point it at anyone. And always have an adult with you. I just want to say thank you to Henry Repeating Arms for sending us 2 guns that we can do a video on. So this is about the end of this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please like and subscribe. And guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye! Henry Repeating Arms has a pretty cool logo and a cool slogan. Made in America or not made at all.